Welcome you all guys. So today we are going to do another stock which is from the Tata group. Tata Steel. We are going to study about in detail study of Tata Steel stock. So whether one should buy now or whether one should hold if they have already bought, or whether if they are already holding and whether is it a time to sell. So we are going to do this for all the ways, like in terms of fundamental, in terms of technical, and in terms of one more from our team stock market biz. So let us study in detail about Tata Steel from now. So hope you all guys are like very much curious to know about the in detail study of Tata Steel now. So right now you can see, as I already told you, this is for ticker tip website, and Tata Steel Limited is one of the product of Tata Group. And if you see from last 1 month, it has given you around 22% returns Tata Steel. And if you see it from last 1 year, it has given a negative returns of 30% almost. So what is Tata Steel? You can see Tata Steel is about iron and steel industry. I mean, its major products are iron and steel. Right now its market capitalization is 38,473 crore, and it is ranking around 71 in Indian market, that too in NSE. And like if you ask the famous brand about the Tata Steel is Tata Steel only. So let us study what are the financials telling. We are studying about the fundamentals of Tata Steel, and let us see about the financials. That means, as I already told you, if one has to know about a particular company, whether the company is making, whether the company price will go up or go down, then it is a simple thing. Look at its total revenue and look at the net income what the company is making on every quarter or on a every yearly basis. You will get to know whether one can invest in a company or whether one can avoid the company to invest in a particular. So see, again I'm telling you, fundamental analysis will give you whether to buy or not, and the technical will give you where to buy. So let us see about whether to consider this Tata Steel for a buying or whether not to consider. So the first thing is total revenue from 2015, from last 5 years revenue. If you're seeing 1.4 lakh, 1.09 lakh, 1.12 lakh, 1.3 and 1.6, so its total revenue is in increasing from last 5 years. I know from last in between 1 or 2 year it got decreased a bit, but overall it is in a rising phase, it is in an increasing phase, total revenue. But that doesn't mean the company is in a profit, right? We have to look at the net profit. If you're looking at the net profit, on 2015, it made a net profit of loss of 4,000 CR, and on 2016, the loss decreased. Net income, I mean, came down to 3 minus or loss of 300 CR, and on again 2017, it increased to minus 4,000 loss CR, 4,000 CR loss, and on 2018, surprisingly, it made a net profit of 13,000 CR. On 2014 19, it made a 10,000 profit, 10,000 CR profit. So overall it is increasing around 10, 20%, 30%, 20%, 13% every year. So if you say in terms of total revenue, it is in rising period or rising phase. If you take it net income, again it is in a rising phase. So, and don't forget to see the earning per share. If you don't know about earning per share, look, wait for our next video to release about EPS. So about EPS is also, it is minus 38, minus 3, minus 41, 117 and 100, around 89. So if you look at the EPS, earning per share, it is a kind of neither completely in a up rising phase or neither in a down phase, is a kind of constant. So I would say we can't decide about the EPS about this stock. Let's leave that. So if you take this under one more parameter, net income is really good right now. And let's see about depth for any company. The depth is not that much increasing. You can see from 1.27 of 2015, it is 1.6, around rise of around 20% from last 5 years. So it is a negligible, and for any company like a big company like Tata Steel, it is normal. So according to fundamental right now, one can see, one can thought of buying this right now. It is in a really good phase to buy Tata Steel. And if you see about the ticker tape analysis, which is supported by Zerodha, so if you see about the ticker tape, So the forecast is there. You can see from the next 1 year analysis is they are predicting 600 is the higher target for ticker tape, and 370 is the median target, and 240 is the lower target. So this is about the ticker tape in terms of fundamental analysis. Let's see about technical analysis. If you see about the technical, it is a daily candle and it has gone breakout. The breakout happened recently last week. That is why we have chosen this stock. The breakout happened just now in Tata Steel. According to indicators, it is in an uptrend. According to candles, again it is giving you a buy signal. So, and see, it was in a consolidation phase, it was in an accumulation phase in terms of price action from last 2 to 3 months, and right now it got breakout, and that too in the upper side. So it is right now trading around 330. So the immediate target for a Tata Steel is 380, 378 to 380 is the immediate target, and for a downtrend I would say 340 is the immediate support. If it comes down to support, then I would say maximum it can come down to 345. So if somebody is interested to buy the Tata Steel for a long term, one can go with a long term, but by keeping in their mind that 340 is the stop loss. By keeping 340 is the stop loss, they can buy right now anywhere near to 340 or like to 300 or 260 and all. But the immediate target is 380. The next target is 447, and the ultimate target is 500. So if somebody is asking you this, then even I would say them, what if happen if the stock broken 345 level, then the immediate and the bottom level for the Tata Steel is 180 level. So one can, with these levels, one can like make up their mind whether to buy or whether not to buy. But according to technical, it is giving a good buy signal. Clear? Even the fundamental is telling you this stock is considerable to buy, and in terms of technical, this stock is having a real, technicals are telling you a good signal. So I would say one can look for a buy here for a long term. All our basis of analysis of Tata Steel is for the long term, and let's see about our personal analysis about the Tata Steel. Clear? So hope you all are looking for this about the Tata Steel. Okay, fundamental analysis is good to buy now, as you all have got to know. And about the technical analysis, again it is good to know. And what is the stock market biz advice? That is, short term view, it can go up to 360 to 400. Actually, we have informed to all our students when it was around 280 to 300 that one can look for a buy signal, or one can look for the buying entry here. Right now it is 330. We would say it can go up to 360 to 400 in this from in next 1 month or 2 months. And long term view, it can go up to 400 or 450 plus till 221. Clear? So somebody is asking, then can I buy right now? I would say best time to accumulate the shares of Tata Steel is when it comes to either around 290 to 300. We don't mind even if it is 300 right now. You can consider to buy Tata Steel. It is a 330 right now. So it is in detail study of Tata Steel. One as in the previous video we have gone to, we have been did a detailed study of SBI when it was around 150, and we even told you the immediate target is around 200 short term, and even right now it is 190. From 155 it went up to 190, and right now as we told you it is 300 now, 330, and it can go up to 360 to 400. If you are looking for a short term, you can accumulate the shares, but the stop loss is 240. Don't skip that. That means somebody might be having a thought, what is this stop loss? That is a risk limit one can look for, and the after 240 if it goes below, then we are sure it can touch 180 level. This is the in detail study of Tata Steel. Hope you have supported us in the previous video. I hope you do the same. If you like the video, if you got a kind of extra things about the Tata Steel, so do subscribe our channel, do like the video, and do let us know about your comment. Do let us know about your personal opinion about the Tata Steel. We are, and if you are looking for any other stocks for us to analyze, if you are looking for any other particular topic for from my team to give you an analysis, so do let us know that in comment. And again, as I told you previously, if you're like, we'll come up with the next video in a very short span of time, and stay tuned. So the best is yet to come, guys. So kindly follow us, and we'll be back with one more very good video. Thank you.